Samsung has exploded higher plus 8.97% to $322,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, June 9th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Investors are selectively buying in some sectors while reducing exposure in others. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 ticked up plus 0.30% to $7,405.73. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. NASDAQ 100 is up plus 1.58%, trading at $29,414. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today, S&P 500, NASDAQ rally as chip stocks rebound, cryptorank. Dow Jones is broadly flat at $50,786, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX is trading higher by plus 0.76%, at $24,804. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 slipped minus 0.28% to $10,344. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung surged plus 8.97% to $322,000 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. ASML surged plus 6.54% to $1,749.04 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. TSMC climbed plus 2.80% to $426.80. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Apple dropped sharply minus 1.89% to $301.54. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Apple stock rises after Q2 earnings top estimates on strong iPhone, China sales, Yahoo Finance. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $92.27 per barrel, down 2.1% on the session. The move follows reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. WTI crude dropped sharply to $88.95 per barrel, down 2.57% on the session. The move follows reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Natural gas edged higher to $3.18, up 1.08% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold ticked up to $4,353.70 per troy ounce, up 0.41% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold's safe haven role questioned as prices slide sharply, MSN. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $341,320 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.37% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.4% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.18, losing 0.09% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Yardeni Wei's SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.